Hey, guess what? Here's the prettiest girl that knows how to make the bacalhau, the real Portuguese kind, right?
Portuguese, si senor.
Okay. Hey, but who's the fancy chef?
Man in the pan.
Okay, big shaka the man in the
Shaka.
pan. I went to Pacaren's using the old stove to prepare some hamburger sandwiches. Welcome to the man and the pan. Today I'm gonna do something super exciting. I'm gonna cook for the real cowboy. Make for them hamburger using their Paca Ranch beef. You see here? Ground beef. I got them last night. Still nice and red because it's all raised here on the island. So here we go. I'm gonna make some hamburger sandwich. Put in the hamburger, real simple. Grab one egg. And by the way, this egg is local. Local egg. I grab some local milk. Put in some milk over here. And I add in some salt. Put in some pepper. And I put in some garlic powder. Okay? Okay? Then I add in panko right over here. Then I add in some chopped onions. Again, these are all local stuff. Okay? Then I grab them and I mix them up. Okay? Cowboy style. Look at that. Right there. Look. Like I said, like one big family. They're all marrying together right now. It's like a Punaluu. They're all one big family. They all get along, play together, work together, and they have fun together. Okay, put in some oil over here. Okay? Grab everything, make them into a patty. Just like this. You can tell it's by a homemade, you see. Just make it any kind of way. Okay? Okay. There you go. Fry them. Okay, the patties are fried over here. So while our patties fried, I brought in some lettuce from Hirako Farms. You know, the vegetables here is nice and look at that. Huh? Then I brought some Kawamata Tomatoes. Cut them up, make for them sandwich. Okay? Just flip over the hamburger. There you go, man. Hamburger steak. Look at that. The burger look good, but let's see how it tastes. We bought some Punaluu buns, right? I'm gonna make one sauce for them. This is the kind of how we make in the plantation. We made the kind of special sauce in the plantation. What we do? We put mayonnaise, right? Add in some ketchup. And we mix them up like this. This is our plantation special sauce. And I throw in some pepper. Okay? The hamburger I think is ready. You take it out. Now, I'm gonna make my sandwich, okay? Grab my special plantation sauce right over here. Okay, put on the lettuce, put the tomatoes. Okay, put on the hamburger. Here we go. Real cowboy, come here. We're in the saddle room, right? All these beautiful saddles here. Right, taste some. Taste some. Whoopee! Whoopee! Hey, what the cowboy say? Whoopee! Whoopee! Huh? Huh? Yeah. Good. Huh?
Good.
How you like it?
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, let me taste. Yeah. Hamburger. Paca Ranch beef, no hormones, no antibiotics, raised on this beautiful grassy Waimea by these unbelievable people over here, right? With love and care. Here we go. Mmm! Oh! 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 Broke the mouth.
Broke the mouth.
Okay.
Juicy.
Juicy. Big chaka, everybody. Big chaka. Awesome.